On 8th of November, Karbi Kurpho Amei inaugurated new homestead at the outskirts of Phurek Anglong Sarpo, Khorsing Teron village, Hongkram, under Rongkhang constituency. Karbi traditional prayers, Phurek Anglong Sarpo Amei and Timase were also offered during the inaugural ceremony.
The inaugural ceremony was chaired by Mahabishnu Tokbi, Council of Ministers, Karbi Kurpho Village Headman, Phurek Anglong MP, leaders of Karbi Students Association, and several dignitaries of the region attended the inaugural ceremony. Phurek Anglong MP, while speaking to us, stated that proper boundary walls and permanent homestead will be constructed for Karbi Kurpho Amei at Phurek Anglong Sarpo, Khorsing Teron village, Hongkram, under Rongkhang constituency very soon. Also, in the days to come, it shall be made mandatory to all the devotees and visitors of the homestead to offer Naivedya to Phurek Anglong Sarpo to explore further in the region. Wiki-based report from Dongkamukam for Karbi Anglong Live.